All right, everybody. I wanted to make a quick video here. If you're having problems with your air conditioning, maybe the blower motor, maybe a blend door, the AC compressor, or even the climate control, here is a quick and easy way to do a self-test of your climate control or HVAC system. It's real simple. It does a quick test. Only takes a few seconds, and if it does find a fault, the light will blink. And you want to count the number of times that the light blinks. It'll then translate to a code number. That code number I'll have listed below here in the description on the video, and hopefully this will help you out. The test only takes, like I said, just a few seconds, and hopefully it'll find a problem with your system. Right now I do not have a problem, so the light's not going to blink in my situation, but I just want to show you how to do a self-test. So first of all, we're just going to have the car in the on position. We're going to go ahead and turn the fan to the off position. We're going to go over here with temperature to the coldest position. Put this on your face. And we're going to go ahead and turn the car off. Now from here, we're going to press and hold the recirculate and the defrost button. We're going to continue to hold them down. Turn the car to the on position. And here in a second, it's going to start the self-test. And your blower motor will actually go from off to max. Just a few quick seconds. All right, and in this case, my car passed the test. I have no problems with the air conditioning. My blower motor works fine. All of my different modes from defrost to vent to floor, all that works fine. If your car did have a problem, the light would blink right now. And it would actually blink a number, such as, say, number 5. It would blink 5 times, pause for a few seconds, blink 5 more times in a row, pause for a few seconds. That would be considered as a code 5. And here in my description below, I'll have all the codes. So it'll show you what 5 would pertain to. But in this case, mine doesn't have a problem right now. But I just wanted to show you how to do a quick and simple test of your AC system to be able to tell if your AC compressor has a problem, maybe if you're low on Freon, if your climate control has a problem, your blend doors, which is what controls from defrost to like the middle to the floor, or even your blower motor might have a problem. So hopefully this quick, simple video will give you something easy to do to test your vehicle and see if it works. This should work on all 2006 to 2010 Honda Civics. And hopefully this helps you out. Other people say that you can do this with older Civics and even newer Civics. So I'm not 100% sure, but I know for sure on the 06 to 2010 Civics this works. So, thank you very much, and if you'd like, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more Honda Civic videos here in the next few weeks. Thank you.